How to turn on the ticking sound for your watch face as well as the hourly chime. And this is for the Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started. From the clock face view mode here, you'll simply pull down from the very top here like this, and then tap on the settings icon right there. Once you tap on the settings icon here now, you'll go down the settings and go down until you see sounds and vibration. Once you enter here now, you'll see all these different set of settings for sounds and vibration. And you want to go down and keep going down until you see the system sounds right here to the very bottom. As you enter into system sounds here, you'll see the part where it says ticking. It says you'll hear a ticking sound if your watch face supports it. And this will only work for like analog clock style face on your watch 6 and as well as the hourly chime. Every time an hour passes, you hear like a silent, subtle sort of chime sound from your watch 6 giving you that sound. So if you want any of these or you don't want any of these, this is where you would go to disable them or enable them. Like and sub.